Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to read other people's encouragements on the Nomo application and add them to your favorites and save them for later. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should use your Touch ID to unlock the app. Click on the home button in the upper left corner, scroll down to the encourage button, tap on it. Here you are going to find three sections. Tap on the first one, read, and after that in a few seconds you are going to find a bunch of encouragements written by other users of this application. Here you can find them. Tap on the relevant one that you like. Here you can read it through, and if you would like to save it, click on the save button. That's the icon with the bookmark image, and if you want to like it, tap on the heart icon. If you would like to check out the items added to the saved section, click on the saved button at the top of the screen. That's the third section, and here you are going to find the added item. If you want to get rid of it from your section, tap on the saved button again and it will be removed from this category. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.